हांव पी.ओ. फेर्नांडीस आनी म्हज्या फाटल्यान घर आसा तें आंजेला फेर्नांडिसाचें. तें घर मोद्रार करपाक थोडो आदार जाय आसलो आनी जायते जाणांनी आदार तांकां दिला. थोडे पयशे उणे जाले ते तेणी मागीर स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्साक फोन करून तांचे लागीं थोडो आदार मागलो. आतां ते स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स तांकां आदार दितात.
ते रिपेर करून जालें घर?
हय, रिपेर जालें आनी आतां खाली कार्पेंटरांक पयशे दिवपाचे उरल्या.
हांव आंजेला फेर्नांडीस मंगलारासून उलयतां. स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स तांकां आमकां आदार दिला. ताका लागून हांव देव बरें कर म्हणटा. आनी चर्चीन आमकां आदार दिला.
चर्चीनूय पयशे दिले?
हय, चर्चीन आमकां आदार दिला. आनी कोण मुखार चला तांकां सगळ्यांक हांव देव बरें कर म्हणटा.
काम जालें तुमगेलें? मोद्रा मेन जालो सगळो?
ना, मातशें उरला.
थोडो उरला?
हय, किचन उरला, दोनी किचन.
Hello, my name is John Baptiste and I'm from Street Providence behalf of Donald Fernandez. We got a call from this house saying they required financial support to complete their housework, and immediately that call come to me, and then I approach Prudence Media to take the more information. So after getting more information, we organized amount to pay their remaining expenses, and today I am come to hand over that behalf of Donald Fernandez. He couldn't make it to come personally to give. On behalf of him, giving this amount to Angela Fernandez to pay the laborers cost of this house expense. Thank you.
हेजे भायर तुमी माडेलाकू घर बांदून दिलें न्हू? माडेलान?
Yeah, we had supported in Madel 2 houses. That was one completely 2 walls repaired, and another one house is going on now. It will be completed soon. So we are here through the help of Prudent Media, because they come forward and bring front of us, and then we able to come and support such causes.
Besides this, what Street Providence is doing?
We actually basically Street Providence, we have 9 shelter home all over Goa. We take the homeless people from the street and rehabilitate them, and then we have a food bank. So those people want to offer the food. We have our fridges in the all police station like Kulwa, Margaon, Fatoda, and this is the work we are doing for a society last 10 years.
You want to come? Huh?
मानाय गेल दिसता न्हू सगळें?
सिमेंट घालता पत्रे घालता.